Hey beautiful people out there, it's me again. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to put ribbon on your Christmas tree, and also to show you guys how I turned some of my items into rose gold to have a rose gold Christmas this year. So if you guys follow me on my vlogging channel, you guys know that we decorated our Christmas tree the other day, but I felt like I wanted to add some more, so I finally got my thoughts and my creativity together, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to do this. So once I figured it out, I was like, let me show everybody how I did it, just in case any of you guys are interested in how to do this as well. It's really simple, it's really quick. You don't want to do the absolute most, but you want that ribbon effect, or you're looking to do a rose gold Christmas. I got you, I got you. So I am going to do a blog post showing the pictures, like the before and after of how I transferred everything, so stay tuned, maybe sometime next week for it. But in this video it's just to show you how to do the ribbon, and also to show you how I add my flowers, and also what I did to get rose gold flowers. All right, so if you come on over here, you can see I have our Christmas tree over here. I started adding a ribbon, but I stopped just so that way I can show you guys. Sorry, it's nighttime, so the lighting is not the best in my house right now. As you can see, we have our rose gold ornaments. So we got two kinds of ornaments. We got some from Target, like the pink ones. The pink ones here, those are from Target. And then some like the darker colored ones, we got those from Big Lots. So I really love these, and they just fit so well on our Christmas tree. And like I said, I already started on the ribbon part, so I just gotta go through and like kind of fluff them out a little bit. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show you a quick and easy way of doing that. With the flowers, I want them to be rose gold, but I couldn't find any rose gold flowers, so I decided to make my own. So I used some spray. I'll show you guys a can when I'm done, just to show you what I used. As you can see, it was once silver, but now it's rose gold, and I'm glad that the sprinkles are still there because it's still glistening. I have the flowers and the stems, it's like that, all ready to be done. Okay, so what you want to do first, as far as the ribbon goes, at the top of the Christmas tree, you want to tie a tie. At the top of the Christmas tree, you want to tie a knot, so that way it's the beginning and the start of the ribbon on the Christmas tree. This is the ribbon that I am using. I got this from Michael's. It was on sale for like $7.50. So this is 100 feet and it's 2.5 inches. So I wanted to make sure that I had enough, so that's why I bought so much, but I can use the rest of the ribbon for like other stuff and for gifts, I guess. So once you have the knot at the top, you want to bring it down, and then at the first stem-ish part, then you're going to tie a knot. So I'm going to zoom in and show you guys. Shoo, because I don't know what's going on with my camera. It's acting real bougie today, and not in a good way. Okay, so once you connect that part, you just kind of bring it out. Let's start my Christmas tree out a little bit. Okay, so once you have that together, you're going to like kind of puff it out. You want to puff it out just a little bit, just so that way you can see what you're doing. And then you want to come to the next part. So what you do is you bring it to the edge, and then you're going to fold it in. Fold this part, the edge, you're going to fold this part and kind of clasp it, just so that way it's locked in pretty much. And then boom. Okay, I don't know if you guys saw that. Did y'all see that? No? Okay, well let's do it right here. Alright, I don't know what's going on with my camera, y'all. So then let's do it again. So you have the ribbon here. You kind of like just rub it so that way it's like sticking out a little bit. And then you find, I'm gonna take this ornament off. So you find like a piece of tree, like this one. And then you're going to fold it and latch it on, just like that, okay? Okay, so all you do is push up a little bit, then you grab the edge, and then you just tighten, just like that. So you're just hooking it on easily. That's pretty much it. So you don't want to do it too far out, you want to keep it kind of close, but it just all depends on how much ribbon you have. So if it is too much, then you just, you know, do what you can, but try to get to the bottom. Just get to the bottom, and that's pretty much it. Like, it's very simple, very easy, and anyone can do it. So now with the flowers and the decorations, some of these already came with sticks. I got these from Big Lots, so they were from different plants and stuff. So I'm just going to stick them in where they fit in. And you know, after you're done with the ribbon, you could just kind of adjust it to your liking to make sure it looks good and that it fits very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick these trees in. So let me go ahead and try to decorate as quick as I can, and I'll be back to show you guys.
Tell me if you can, when the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney broad and black, with your pack, your queen, all the stockings you will find hanging in.
So we are done here. Woo! So I don't know about y'all, but I don't know what it is, but I don't like a whole bunch of ornaments and stuff being together on a Christmas tree because I feel like it's too cluttered. So I tried to like move some of the ornaments around. We can't keep ornaments at the bottom of our tree because we have a very mobile 8-month-old baby who loves to play with this Christmas tree because he's just curious, and he pulls the ornaments off and plays with them. So we just figure, why put them at the bottom? Okay, so we try to keep them at least, you know, up here and up, but I try to like move around the ornaments. And as you see, the flowers, they're supposed to be, so this is the stuff that I used for the flowers. This is the Color Master, and this is the metallic rose gold. I should have went with the other one because it does kind of look brown a little bit, but it is rose gold. It's not like light like this, but close enough, and I think it looks good, especially it matches the angel up there. I hope you guys enjoy, and let me know down below how you plan on decorating your Christmas tree, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.